No-bake biscuit roll. First, beat 1 egg until it's frothy. Gradually add 200 gram of powdered sugar and beat until it's well combined. Next, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter to the egg-sugar mixture and blend until smooth. Now, add 200 gram of melted chocolate and mix well. Then, mix in 50 gram of unsweetened cocoa powder and stir until fully combined. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts, if you like. Gently fold in 280 gram of broken digestive biscuits. Make sure all the pieces are coated, but don't overmix. Lay out a piece of aluminum foil and transfer the cookie mixture onto it. Roll up the foil tightly. Shape the mixture into a log or roll. Refrigerate it for a few hours until it sets completely. Once firm, remove from the foil, slice into rounds, and serve. Enjoy your delicious no-bake biscuit roll.